Factory of 224. So 224, it can be written as 2 times 112. 2 times 112 means 224. 112, it can be written as 2 times 56. 2 times 56 means 112, and 56, it can be written as 2 times 28. 2 times 28 means 56. 28, it can be written as 2 times 14. 2 times 14 means 28, and 14, it can be written as 2 times 7. 2 times 7 means 14. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, 2, 2, and this 7. So from these prime numbers, we can write 224 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is this 2, 2, 2, this 2, this 2, and at last this 7. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.